Alright, here's Jacob's face that Dallas has eaten. Dallas, why are you so hostile? Oh, he just ripped his legs in half. Dallas! Dallas, how do you feel about that? Daddy boy. Get him, Dallas, get him. Dallas. Dallas, look.
Apparently he's Team Edward.
Ah! Dallas.
Man, I can shoot him up.
Oh! Dallas.
Don't let him